Hey guys, it's your boy Aiden.
Hey guys, it's your boy Riley.
We're gonna be doing a Nerf video
About my gun.
It's called the Tell them.
Air Warriors turn snipe.
Yeah, Air Warriors ultra-tek sidewinder. So it comes with.
It's hard to get off. You have to drop it.
Get it off. No, you don't.
So, I'm gonna show them.
First, we're gonna show you the gun just by itself.
Yeah. So here's how do you shoot it? You cock it like that and it turns. See?
So we'll pull this back. So
And the thing pops.
And you pull it back and pop. That's your cocking
Yeah.
it and turning it. And look, when the mag's in there, you'll go pow, 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 pow.
Yeah.
So it's like a shotgun. But look, this right here is just for decoration. So if you get this gun, don't try it. And there's a handle right here, so you can carry it everywhere you want.
Yeah, and so here's the thing where it can turn and you can see the darts open. Yeah.
Mhm.
You can see it there mostly.
So
And now,
that's the jam door. And now we're gonna show you these little clips.
yeah. So these help the mag get on.
This is how you do it.
Yeah, you clip it on like tick.
Okay, clip that one on.
Yeah, like that.
Clip it on. Okay, so you clip those two on, and this is
The turn thing.
This is a 30-piece mag. So 30 mag. And
You have to take those
now,
off.
don't put both of them at the same time. Only put one in. And get the front of the gun, get this side, and put it in sideways like this. And make sure.
This is a old gun.
Yeah, no wait, hold on. We messed up for the first part. Don't put these two in first. Just put the mag in.
This is how you shoot it. You cock it up like this. And
No,
then
we're not doing that one.
whatever.
Then we're gonna get this and put it in that hole. Push it down. It's kind of hard to do it, so you might, if y'all are kids watching this, you're gonna need to find an adult to help you with this. If you can't do it, so that's how you do it.
And this is the end of the video. Bye.
No, it's not. Go get me some bullets, like 3 bullets, so we can show them how hard it shoots at the door. It's really loud, so if you want to annoy your kids, if you want to annoy your parents, just use this and just keep pushing it up and down. So the jam door. So it pretty much takes any darts like these. So we're going to show you all this.
So you cock it like this.
Okay.
Can I shoot it?
Ready?
Can I shoot it,
Hold on.
Aiden?
Let me see when the bullet's here.
Can I shoot it, Aiden?
Stop. Here we go. Ready?
Can I try? Hold on.
If y'all saw that, I hope y'all saw that, but he was in the way, but y'all can hear it. It's very painful when all of them are loading, just pow, 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 pow.
Yeah, good.
It hurts really bad, so it's kind of a bad video, but comment, like, subscribe down below if y'all like this
Bye.
gun, so
Bye.
peace.